Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the CR-1, that's Conditional Resident Visa. This is the type of visa that's issued to the spouse of an American citizen, and the couple has been married for less than 2 years. So the spouse would enter the United States in what's called conditional resident status. The question is often posed to me by folks that are seeking these kinds of visas. And oftentimes it's usually newlyweds. We've just gotten married. When should we change her name? My usual advice with respect to this is thusly, probably a good idea to change your name before getting started with the immigration process. If you really feel it's that important for the name to be changed, go ahead and do it before getting started with anything having to do with immigration, because changing a name oftentimes requires changing of documentation such as a passport. In the Kingdom of Thailand, it would require changing of things like the ID card, the name on a Thai's ID card, may require documentation changes as well as translation changes. And this can be problematic if you're sort of midstream in the CR-1 process, because it's already a difficult enough process. Adding a whole new set of documentation pertaining to a name change, especially midway through the process, can add a cumbersome aspect and complexity to a process that's already cumbersome and complex enough. So the thing to take away from this video is, yes, you can do it, but if you're going to change your name, probably a good idea to go ahead and do it before the process ever gets started, in order to forestall a lot of complications midway through the process as the process progresses. Another thing to keep in mind, once you're in the United States, complexity is added by trying to change your name post-green card. That's post-entrance with an I-551 stamp. Now, again, you can do it once the green card's issued, but if you go ahead and wait till you naturalize to U.S. citizenship, you can do it all at once during the naturalization process. I have often found that this is an easier thing for folks as a practical matter to undertake rather than doing the name change, as again, name change documentation, translations associated therewith, and documentation associated therewith can be cumbersome. It can add complexity, and as a practical matter, it's just a better idea to do it either before or at the very end of the overall process.